Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to share QR code on WhatsApp, and now let's dive right in. Now to share QR code on WhatsApp, first open up your WhatsApp on your phone, and after that guys, on this interface of WhatsApp at the top right corner of the screen, you can see there is a three-dotted icon available for us. Tap on that three-dotted icon, and over here you can see the settings option available for us just below the stored messages. Tap on settings. And on this interface guys, in order to share your QR code on WhatsApp, you can see your QR code option at the right side of your name at the top of the screen. Over here guys, you will be required to tap on the QR code just beside your name, and this kind of interface will appear where you will have your QR code over here. Now in order to share your QR code on WhatsApp, tap on the share icon at the top right corner of the screen, and this kind of interface will appear where you will be able to upload or share your QR code of WhatsApp to anything, but we'll be just sharing the QR code to WhatsApp. So let's tap on the WhatsApp over here and choose the contact to whom you want to send that QR code and send it. And with that being done guys, this kind of interface will appear showing your QR code. Tap on the airplane icon at the bottom right corner, and your QR code will be shared on WhatsApp. And with that being said guys, this is how to share your QR code on WhatsApp. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.